Welcome to the Oak Bay Beach Hotel. Today we're going to make pizza from our pizza kit. We start with dough that we've had sitting at room temperature for 8 hours. So out of the freezer, into a pan, covered with saran wrap or damp towels. Let the yeast create air and rise the dough so it's nice and soft and full of air. We want to keep that air as much as we can in the crust of the pizza. I'll show you how to do that. Turn it onto its back, a little more flour so that I can work the dough with my hands. I'm going to push using the tips of my fingers, push the dough, rotate it using the tips of my fingers, keeping the air in the crust. So I get it to about there. I'm going to pick it up, throw it from fist to fist, and then stretch it using my knuckles. Making pizza at home, if you have a pizza pan like this, place your dough on the pizza pan. And then we're going to add some sauce. Some cheese. Basil, and now you can add any of the other ingredients that we've included in your kit. So you can have some really thinly sliced red onion, some bell peppers, grape tomatoes. I like to put the prosciutto on after the pizza is cooked because it's sliced very thinly and it will be like a melting texture when you eat the pizza with the sliced prosciutto. I'm going to add a little bit of olive oil. Your oven at about 550 degrees Fahrenheit, or about as hot as your oven can go. There's your pizza on your pan, so the dough doesn't stick to your pan, just the flour.